Hi guys, welcome back. Sorry, I just cut the video in the other because I just don't want to make the video longer because as I told you guys before, if I make the videos longer, the concentration level goes down and you'll not be in a proper shape to concentrate fully. And I want you guys to concentrate fully. So this is one third part of the transformation or the custom tracker. So I think this might take 10-15 minutes. So bear with me, guys. I'll quickly jump in to pull in the data. Mm, Click on data. I'll open a new Excel sheet itself. Yeah. So what I'll do, I'll try to create or I'll try to import the file which I showed you before and quickly clean it up. And I'll show you how it's easy. It's like how easy and how quickly you can clean the data in 10 to 15 minutes, which will solve your next issues, or you can say whatever like in next coming weeks, whatever data you get, it quickly just refresh the data and custom tracker will be refreshed automatically. You don't have to spend time and time for what do you call cleaning the data again and again. So let's import week 21 data which I showed you. And guys, I'll share this data set with you guys so that you can also practice with me. Uh, I guess if you follow along, you'll learn very quickly. And this is very easy, guys. I'll discuss more hard and random topics with you guys, which are rarely discussed in YouTube. So I specifically try to do stuff which is used in a real-time world. There are videos where people don't explain real time, but I like to do that because that's how you learn. Let's click on transform data. I believe in that because I did learn on that way. So once the transform data tab is open, you can quickly see there are null values. So I just don't require those rows. The first, I'll just remove the first two rows. Remove first two rows. And this is my Power Query settings, which will give you the history, which will show what steps you have taken. Okay, sorry, I've remove top rows. I don't require the top two rows. I'll make the first row as header. Okay, guys. So this is for week 2022, and this is for 2021. Now again, I'll try to filter my data as there are a lot of nulls. I don't require the null values. Just filtered it out. Okay. Now I can also remove this column, or you can you can select from choose columns. Instead of removing, I'll just do choose columns and select. Okay. So now once this is done, I see in the fifth line item, there is no values at all. Let's see if that was the case for the raw data. So now let's clean this with delimitation, or you can say split the columns using delimitation. So my delimiter would be at the rate, and Power Query is smart enough to catch this, and it will also tell how many rows or columns to be created. This is automatic, and it is very smart enough to capture this kind of what do you call mm, small things. Or what I can do, my heading has gone distorted. I can do another way. Instead of what do you call, let's go back. Let's go back, guys. Go back to one more step. Let's keep it here, and then I'll make sure that okay, let's keep it here. The header, I will not put the header in the first row as header. First, let's remove all the anomalies from this. We'll remove the null. We'll remove the column. This is 2022 and this is 2021, and then try to split this column up. Let's see, delimiter. Okay. Now you see, guys, we are getting the proper headers, and then you can use first row as headers. Now, when you click first row as header, you can see all the columns are delimited. Customer, like customer ID, customer name, customer location, zip code, phone number, state, product, what is the size of the product, the cases sold, revenue earned, cases sold one, and you can just rename it cases sold 2022, revenue earned 2022, cases sold 2021, and revenue earned, it's 2021. So I am done with the cleaning, guys. Right? One more step you can do. You don't want, if you don't want to see the null, you can just replace the values. Select what do you call? Select the table. Do a Control A. Replace values. Click on replace values. Hit null. Value to find null, and replace the null value with zeros. So what I've done, instead of null, I'll make it 000. That is kind of better in terms of when we are doing analysis. So let's close and load this in the Excel sheet. Now my data is getting loaded, and you see, guys, the magic. So first thing we have already done is what do you call, we have cleaned the data up, and see, guys, now how the data looks. It looks clean, right? Now let's create a custom tracker. The 50% of tracker is already created. Now only 50% you need to create. So I'll just create few rows above. What I will do is I'll make a column out here called total. I'll use the function called subtotal. I'll take sum and I'll take the full values, or I will say more values. You can take certain range. You can take full sheet also, and then drag the values. Total, and then you can do some formatting. SPA. I can do some formatting. I just want to format it with this color, with orange color, and this is my 2022. Just merge it. Just merge it with 2021. Alt PA. Put the same color. See, guys, watch this. Your custom tracker is ready. Now you can give some insights from your stakeholders, right? That for the year 2022, my total cases were 50, and total I have earned, or my products have earned 5,750. In the year 2021, I earned only 1,000 rupees. Now you can create one more column here, and you can do a change, which is 50 minus 26 and 50 minus 26. Sorry, 1000. So this is your profit. So if you compare from previous year to 2020-22, 24 more cases are sold, and this much amount of profit you are getting. Congratulations to the company. You are in green. Your salary, your hike, everything will be more because your profit, the company is in profit. The bonuses will be very, very high. Yeah. So that's it, guys. See, you can also do what do you call, plus or minus. And if you want the change change, yeah. So this is the custom tracker. Guys, if you want to create a little more design, you can do it. You can play with it. I'll share this with you guys. So, and what I will do is, now I will save this as browse with a proper name. Wait, I'll show you how to save so that next time when you get uh, cases sold tracker dated 22/6/2022, or yeah, that's fine. So in the next video, when you get the data for next week, which is week 2022, you can also mention this here, merge center and week 2021. You can do some formatting and bold. And if you want to increase the size, you can also increase the size. So now what I will do is, I'll just save this, and like if you want to share it with the stakeholders, you can share it. Now next week when you get the data for week 2022 for the year, week 2022 for the year 2022 and 2021, just have to change the source and just refresh. That's it. So that testing of the tracker for next week I will be doing in the next video. Thank you guys for listening. If you do like my video, do subscribe and like. Thank you guys.